Hello and welcome. Today a dumb fat Italian will be showing you how to make the finest cuisine. This is the dumb fat Italian in question.
Where am I?
Excellent. Now we can begin.
Who said that? Are you a ghost?
I'm the narrator, you idiot. I'm not a-
He's in the wall. He's in the goddamn wall!
Since it's the start of the new year, we'll be making a New Year's treat.
Oh yeah! Waha!
No, we're not making spaghetti. Stop pouting. We'll be making a cake. Before anything else, we will need a recipe. Do you have one?
Yes, I do.
Wow, this actually looks really good.
Hey, what the f?
Give me a real recipe, you idiot.
Then check this out.
Do me a favor and actually try for once. Or should I get one of your friends to cook instead? Good enough. Now you get out of here.
Oh, wait! You killed my brother! You sons of a...
Now that we have a recipe to follow, it's time to get out the ingredients. We will need eggs, sugar, flour,
hamburger,
baking powder,
Barbecue sauce?
vanilla extract,
bird,
whole milk.
goddamn baguette.
Stop interrupting, fat ass.
Where? I don't wanna hear it.
Fine. Pick out the rest of the ingredients yourself.
Fine, I will!
Great, he shut up. Let's move on. Before you begin your cooking adventure, you need to start off with the preparations. First off, we're gonna need some cooking utensils. You're going to need a mixing bowl, measuring cups, a mixing spoon, a baking tray and a gun.
Mamma mia!
Next step, don't forget to clean your hands before cooking. Next, line the tray with baking paper. It's time to preheat the oven. Unfortunately, children can't operate the oven. Time to call in our safety fireman to turn on the stove. Congratulations, preparations are complete. Let's see that smile. We will make the batter next. We will need 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a cup of butter, 1 cup of milk,
Kiss me.
1 cup of milk and 4 cups of flour. No, stop. That will be inedible. Congratulations, you now have salmonella. Dumbass. Next step, pour your batter into a baking tin. Make sure it's evenly spread.
Okie dokie!
Ta-da!
Oh boy, I can't wait to contract Ebola. Now we'll need our safety fireman Pyro to handle putting the cake in the oven.
Stop mocking me!
Congratulations. Just don't forget to pull it out when it's ready.
Patanzuna po kada po sa fratello. I'm the superstar. La la la.
Next, we will make the cake's frosting. For this, we will need icing sugar, butter, and milk.
No!
Oh, okay.
Now, mix your ingredients carefully, or else you might screw this part up like the last million times. Good job. Now you know how your parents felt when you were born.
I will send you to Jesus.
You better not do what I think you're about to.
Let's go.
Excuse me, I need to vomit. Don't touch the knives. We'll handle them when I get back. Okay Mario, I finished puking and
I appear to have burst into flames.
Mayo, dumbass. Since you're going with that gross spaghetti frosting, chop up these tomatoes and make some pasta sauce.
Okie dokie.
I am the storm that is approaching.
Alright, now it's time to decorate the cake.
Oh yeah.
I appear to have burst into flames.
Oh no. Oh no.
I conquered the stove. I'm master of the kitchen.
That's my impression of an idiot. What do you think?
Look at me. I suck. That is my impression of you.
Too late to go back. Let's add the frosting and some decoration.
La la la. La 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 la.
Alright, let's see how badly you messed this up.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
I'm not touching that. Thankfully, our victim, I mean, special guest, Tari, will try it first.
Whoa! Potuti na ito.
Sorry.
Oh, eto, sono lavato l'abito. I'm the superstar.
Oh.
Ooh.
No.
Oh.
Dead.
Oh. That's so nice.
Failure.